you've ever dreamed of having your own workshop, repairing and building things, then you want to be here at the Spring Garden Workshops. Let's see what's going on today, and we'll start with the mechanic workshop. I'm joined by Philip Brown, who's the Senior Engineering Manager here. Philip, so nice to speak with you.
Good to be here, Shane. Thank you.
Tell me straight, let's get into it. What type of maintenance is done here at this workshop?
We do primarily 4 types of maintenance: PMs, CMs, EMs, and condition-based. So PMs is preventive maintenance, where we do things based on operating hours on a time base, and that's usually guided by the OEM recommendations. Okay. CMs is what we call corrective maintenance. This is based on when a fault occurs, then the equipment will still be working, but we would address that to get the equipment working back to its optimal performance. And then EMs are emergency breakdowns, as it says. Something fails, some stop working, we repair it and get it back in service. And condition-based monitoring is what we do based on specific parameters, using data, sensor data, to be able to do maintenance to keep equipment at the optimal performance.
And during your time working here, Phil, what kind of changes were made with technology?
As I mentioned, we started off primarily with preventive maintenance, which is time-based, and now we're moving more to the condition-based and predictive-based maintenance, where we use data. So we use sensors to get vibration, we use oil analysis, something we call thermography, to get more information to be able to determine when the equipment is starting to lose performance, to be able to then do maintenance on it to get it back to optimal. So that's where we're going to. So that technology is being used to help us better improve our maintenance strategies.
So Philip, we were speaking about the ability to do maintenance on site. What I want to ask is, how important is that to the reliability of our electricity supply?
Shane, that's very important to the reliability of the electricity supply, because our teams being able to do the maintenance and having the tools on site to do it allows us that when we have breakdowns, to be able to put persons in place to do that work and to get the unit back in service as soon as possible. It also allows us, with their knowledge, to be able to improve on maintenance strategies to help us keep units performing optimally for longer periods of time.
Okay. A lot of young people are going to be watching this. What advice do you have for any young person who is interested in getting involved with engineering maintenance with the Barbados Lighting Power?
I would say that attention to detail is very important. We work in a critical industry that is essential to the country, so therefore you have attention to detail is very important. Spend the time to learn well, but dedication is also important, because it requires some sacrifice to be able to do what we do to maintain the service that we do to the country.
Philip, I want to thank you for giving us this vital information, and I also want to thank you for everything you do here to ensure that we have a reliable electricity supply.
Shane, thank you for the opportunity to present what we do maintenance-wise at the Barbados Lighting Power Company.
Great. You can WhatsApp our customer service team to report a fault or request reconnection on 262-4300, or speak to a customer service agent, telephone number 626-4300, and visit our website blpc.com.bb or our social media pages, BLPC Online, for up-to-date news. Here's this week's Customer Power Tip.
Is cold air escaping around your refrigerator seal? You may want to change or adjust that seal to avoid paying higher electricity bills. Here's a quick tip for you. Place a $2 bill in the refrigerator door. If it's easy to pull that $2 bill out, you may need to adjust your seal. For more energy-saving tips, please visit our website www.blpc.com.bb.